everyone, back with another keto recipe for you. It is beef and broccoli cheddar cheese soup, and it's 3 servings. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 thing of the frozen riced broccoli, bacon bits, heavy cream, the Ragu double cheddar cheese sauce, also a block of cheddar cheese. I'm sorry, I don't have it in the picture here. And then you'll need pink salt, pepper, oregano flakes, a 1 cupper, a half cupper, a tablespoon, a fry pan with cover, and a big soup pan for cooking soup. Let's start by heating up our ground beef on the stove on a medium heat, and let's cover this. I have a little water in mine because my beef was frozen. Once it's all cooked up, then you want to strain it, drain it, pour it back into your pot, and let it sit aside. Now let's heat up our broccoli in the microwave for 6 minutes. And once that's going, let's go ahead and get our soup going. So let's take our soup pot, pour in our cooked ground beef, 1 full cup of the Ragu double cheddar cheese sauce, 4 cups of water, a half cup of the heavy cream, and once your broccoli is cooked in the microwave, pour that whole bag into your pot, and 3 tablespoons of the real bacon bits. And then let's season it up with heavily pink salt, light pepper, light oregano, and give it a good stir. Now let's cover it. Keep it on a medium heat. You're going to continue to stir here and there, and we're going to let it go and boil for a little bit. Once it's all boiled up pretty good for about 5 minutes and you've been stirring it, we're going to get our cheddar cheese shredded up, 1 cup. We're going to add that into our soup. We're going to give it a good stir. And then we're going to let all the flavors come together. So now turn it down to a simmer, cover it, and let it continue to cook for about 5 more minutes. Then let's get it served up. It's actually 3 servings. There's 2 there and the other one's in the pot. It's like 3 cups each. Each bowl is 3 cups. And there you go. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my gosh. And it's only 6.5 net carbs a piece for each bowl. This was absolutely delicious. Perfect for the cold days, the cold weather, the cold fall days, the cold winter. Just a nice hot cup of soup, and it tasted so delicious. I loved it. All the flavors with that bacon bits and everything. Definitely try it out. And always remember to keep it keto.